Welcome, Simple Eaters. Whoa. Welcome. Happy holidays, Simple Eaters. We are back on YouTube here. YouTube, doing it from the podcast station. My podcast station, if you know what I mean. Let's get right into it, Simple Eaters. Let's do this. Boom. Right to my podcast, so you have access to all my social platforms, man. So you'll be able to have access to me on simpleeats.com, but also have access to me on my podcast, Instagram, my YouTube channel, where this is going to be uploaded to. So let's get right into it, man. I have 5 Thanksgiving hacks. I don't know why I went so close to the mic like that. That was a little weird. But I have 5 Thanksgiving hacks for you guys. 5 Thanksgiving hacks. And are you guys ready for this? This is posted up on simpleeats.com if you want to go back and kind of cover some of this information here. Let me just pull this baby up right here so you guys are with me, following me. And I want to make sure you guys are prepped. We have a few days, guys. We have a few days, Simple Eaters, and it's going to be Thanksgiving. Isn't that crazy? A few days. And you're going to be in that kitchen, and you're going to be stressed out, and you're going to be like, what in the world you should be doing? You have no freaking clue. You have no plan. You have no structure. And this right here would help you out in terms of staying healthy and on a game plan, because you're probably saying to yourself, you want to focus on keeping this Thanksgiving season a little more healthier than last year, right? I think every year we try to make those changes and try to really focus on making the right healthy choices each year so that we can get closer and closer to our goal of just living healthy, man. That's our goal, living healthy, making it a lifestyle. Making it a lifestyle would simply basically mean that you wouldn't even have to plan, because it would just be a part of your life and your life routine. It just becomes part of your nature. You just boom, you go into a restaurant, you're like, I already know what I'm having. You may even pull up the menu way beforehand and kind of scope it out just to kind of get an idea what you should be having and how can you critique certain choices while you at that restaurant. But let's get back on track. We're talking about Thanksgiving, restaurant talk and all that stuff. That could be another time. But healthy Thanksgiving cooking hacks. These are 5 healthy Thanksgiving cooking hacks I'm going to be sharing with you guys. And you can find this simply by going to simpleeats.com, looking at my most recent post, which was today, November 18th. I'm going to be posting this baby up, this YouTube video, probably today, tomorrow, the latest, but I want to make sure you guys get this. So I'm going to really try today. It's pretty late. Well, not too late, but it's getting close to that time. So let's just get right into it. The 5 hacks I want to share with you guys. We're going to start with hack number 1. Replace sour cream with Greek yogurt. An equal amount of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt can easily make any Thanksgiving dish healthier when used instead of sour cream. It tastes the same and adds an additional protein boost, right, to your favorite sides. Hack number 2. Bake sweet potatoes instead of sweet potato casserole. Keep some of your delicious flavors from your go-to Thanksgiving dish, but try preparing them in a healthier way. Serving baked sweet potatoes cuts out of unhealthy sugary toppings from traditional casseroles, and you can still sweeten them with a dash of extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, maple syrup, ginger, pumpkin pie spice. These ingredients add more calcium, iron, while helping your digestion, which your body will thank you for. Trust me when I tell you. Especially on Black Friday, you're going to wake up the next day and you're going to be like, I ate great. Or you could wake up the next day and you're like, what the hell happened? You don't want that, because that happened plenty of times already. I've been there. Hack number 3, use whole grains instead of white bread for stuffing. It's easy to upgrade traditional holiday favorites with slightly healthier twists, and stuffing is the perfect side to experiment with this season. Avoid refined carbohydrates that can raise your blood sugar levels by using a sprouted whole grain loaf in your stuffing this year. Come on, Simple Leaders. It's easier to digest, right? And it's significantly higher, listen up, significantly higher in zinc, calcium, and iron than white bread. You know that sounds good. Hack number 4. Be mindful of desserts by serving pudding instead of pie. Enjoying holiday sweets in moderation is completely normal, but that doesn't mean you should have to go big or go home, right? Mentality. You don't have to have that mentality. Consider serving pumpkin pudding or crustless pie, instead of your typical pies this year, and enjoy familiar seasonal flavors without filling up on buttery crust. Pumpkin pudding is lower in calories and entirely gluten-free, Simple Eaters. Now, if you are a fan of gluten-free or you're on a gluten-free diet, this is something you probably want to, consider. Lastly, hack number 5, introduce new simple favorites to replace unhealthy holiday go-tos. Consider serving cauliflower mash instead of what? Come on. Instead of your traditional buttery potatoes. You can also take advantage of delicious in-season fall flavors by preparing a side of holiday roasted vegetables. Say it one more time. Holiday roasted vegetables. These are fun to make and can be served in a variety of ways, Simple Eaters, which will quickly make them new favorites amongst your friends and your family. Come on, Simple Eaters. However you decide to kick off this holiday season this year, Simple Eaters, remember to always make your